Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, it's a 302 Ford. We have a double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, brand new high flow aluminum water pump, new balancer, high flow fuel pump. You have all the fuel line fittings in there, heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor. Engine block is painted the black with the brass freeze plugs. Front sump oil pan on there. It's real nice blue ignition wires. All the wire markers are on there, all set, ready to go. AFR aluminum cylinder heads. Roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice polished ball milled valve covers with the breather, the matching air cleaner with the washable filter, distributor set in place, aluminum intake manifold, MSD coil, quick fuel carburetor. We installed the throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Manifold vacuum fittings installed on the intake manifold for any vacuum lines if needed. We always install the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. It has the proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford. PCV ventilation line is on there. Heavy duty Russell line on there. The electric choke wire. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory. You're going to see a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. I set the ignition timing, that'll be all set. We dial in the carburetor, the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum. We set the idle. We check for any leaks. Everything, again, is fully tested, ready to go. We're offering this engine at $10,275. It's in stock. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.